phones is like a drug. Most of us are addicted to them, but just don't realize it. We're using them everywhere we go and must know what everyone else is doing. We are afraid of missing out on things, not knowing what is trending, and are afraid of doing nothing. Our brains get filled with dopamine, and every day gets harder to enjoy all the small things in life. And I'm doing this too, using hours and hours on my phone every day. But is it really worth it? In my opinion, it's better to see the world with your own eyes. Experience what this world we call home has to offer, instead of seeing it through a screen. So turn off the damn notifications, put down the phone, and live a little.